Hey, thanks for joining me. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a plugin to a site using WP Stress Free, so doing it from the dashboard. So let's go ahead and go into one of our sites here, and we can go into the dashboard. I'm going to use this as an example. We'll let that open, and then what we can do is go here to expand the My WordPress menu and go to plugins. This will show us all the plugins that are currently installed. The other thing we can do is add new, and that's what we're going to be doing today. So let's click that. And then what you'll see is a series of plugins that I've added to my Vault. Now, I've got a couple of videos that talk about the Vault and how you use it, but basically what it is a place where you can upload plugins that you think you might want to install across multiple sites that you own using WP Stress Free. So basically, if you have, for example, some sort of marketing plugin that you want to install on all your sites or many of them, for example, that would be a good one to upload to your Vault. I've got a couple of examples in here because I also, from a security standpoint, always install like the iThemes plugin across all my WordPress sites, and Contact Form 7 is another one. So you can also search in the WordPress repository. So this is what's also nice is even if it's one that's not in your Vault, if WordPress has it in their repository, you can always go and grab it. So let's just install Google XML Sitemaps here for our example. And then what we do is basically just ask you from the app here from WP Stress Free which sites you'd like to install this plugin on. And so you have two options down here. You can just install it, or you can have the WP Stress Free app install and activate the plugin. So we're going to do that. Now I've already got this Sitemaps plugin on most of my sites, but not this one yet. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. And that's basically all it is. So in the background, WP Stress Free app is just installing it and getting you all set up. So as soon as everything's activated, then it'll take you back here to your plugins dashboard, and then from there you can choose if you want the plugin to auto update, or you can see if there's any updates or anything like that that you need to take care of. So that's that. Thanks for joining me in this video.